What is difference between shallow cloning and deep cloning in SQL? Cloning means creating exact copy of something. So in SQL, we can create copy of table using two cloning methods, that is using shallow cloning and deep cloning. First, let's understand what is shallow cloning. Shallow cloning in SQL means creating a new table with the same structure as the existing table but without copying actual data. This means that new table will have same columns, data types, index, constraint as the original table, but it will be empty. You can perform shallow cloning in MySQL using like statement. For example, we can use create table student clone like student. This statement creates a new table student clone that has same structure as the student table, but it's empty. It copies the column definition, data types, index and constraint from the student table. Next type of cloning is a deep cloning. Deep cloning in SQL creates a new table with the same structure as the existing table and also copies the data from the original table. This means that new table will be exact replica of the original table, including both structure and data. We can perform deep cloning using like and insert into statement. So the first statement creates a new table student clone with the same structure as the student table, and second statement copies all the data from student table to the student clone table. Let's understand where should we use shallow cloning and deep cloning. Shallow cloning just copies the structure but it doesn't copy data, so it makes it an ideal for development and testing scenarios. Development and testing, both of them has the same table schema but different data, so we can use shallow cloning to copy table structure from the development table to the testing table. Next application is creating templates. Many times our data comes from a different sources and in our system we have to define the same schema so we can consume source data into our system. So in this scenario we can use shallow cloning. Deep cloning copies the structure of a table as well as its data, so it makes it an ideal cloning mechanism for taking backup of the data. Next application can be taking snapshot of our data during analysis. We need to perform complex queries without modifying actual data. There we can use deep cloning to take snapshot of our data. That's it for today's video. Follow my channel for more such videos.